Welcome to another day in the land of the free. Where common sense is optional, and "I was kidding" is apparently a legal defense. Today, we're peeling back the layers on two of the most bizarre encounters we've ever covered. You need to watch every second of these interactions to understand how a simple traffic stop turns into a psychological battle of wits. From a Karen who thinks she can outsmart biology in the middle of a hurricane, to a suspect who literally couldn't wait 5 minutes after being released from jail to commit her next felony. Pay close attention to the small details, because the truth is hidden in the moments most people blink and miss.
So you said you've had drinks tonight, you've got an open intox in your vehicle.
Yep.
Okay, so I'm going to ask you to perform a field sobriety test tonight, just to make sure that you're safe to drive. Okay?
Well, I literally...
I understand that.
I live right there.
I understand
so I don't
that.
have to drive.
I understand that, but I pulled you over while you were operating a motor vehicle. So I just have to make sure, since you've had alcohol, you've admitted to it, you've got an open drink in your car, and... Hey, right here, you're dealing with me, and you got glassy bloodshot eyes.
No, I've been crying.
I understand that, okay.
Like, I've been crying.
Okay, hold on. So...
Thanks for making my night even worse.
Well, ma'am, you're the one who's operating a motor vehicle. You don't have a valid driver's license.
That doesn't make me cry. That doesn't make me cry.
Okay. So you can yell at me all you want, but I have a job.
I'm not yelling. I'm not yelling.
Okay. It sounds like it's about to storm.
Okay.
So would you like to do field sobriety tests out
Yes.
here? Whoa! No, don't walk away from me, ma'am. No.
Don't grab me.
Don't
grab me.
Don't
grab
walk
me.
away from me.
Don't grab me.
Step back over here, please.
Don't grab me.
Stay out of the roadway.
Don't grab me.
Ma'am.
Don't grab me.
Don't walk away then.
Cassie.
Ma'am. Can he go away, please?
Yeah, I'll have him stand back here.
Like, is there two?
Yeah, me and him.
In one vehicle?
No, there's two squads back there.
Well, why? Because I think one can leave.
Okay, hey, hold on. You're not going to tell us how to run the stop here, ma'am. Okay?
Okay.
So, on nights, we respond in twos to any kind of traffic stop, any call for service.
Because you were watching me.
Ma'am, I was sitting down here. Did you see where I pulled out from, ma'am? You drove right past me. And I happen to know your car, and I happen to know that you are revoked.
Well,
So-
I wasn't. I had an occupational, and
Okay,
I couldn't afford.
That is suspended.
I couldn't afford.
Okay. Could you please put that on the trunk of your car or
Yeah,
inside
that's
your
what I
vehicle?
was gonna do.
Whoa, ma'am,
That's what I was gonna do.
Ma'am,
I'm sorry.
I'm just asking you. I don't need the
That's what I was
attitude.
going to do. I'm
Okay.
sorry.
Okay.
I'm not trying to give you attitude. I'm just very
Okay.
upset.
Okay, well, we got to deal with all the issues here. All right, step back over here for me, please. I'm going to explain the tests.
I know what the test is. You don't have to explain
Okay,
it.
I have to explain them by state law. The first test is the horizontal gaze and stagnance test, or the HGN test. Would you like
Meet
to stand out
Cassie.
here in the rain, or would you
She's
like to go
staring
in the-
down a DUI in the middle of a literal storm. But watch her eyes carefully. She claims she's just been crying, trying to explain away her bloodshot eyes. This is a classic psychological tactic known as externalizing blame. She's trying to create a narrative where she's the victim of a bad night, not a danger to the road. But as you'll see, the officer is looking for something far more scientific than her crocodile tears.
Tip of my pen, okay. Yes, no? Can you see the tip of my pen, okay? Yes or no? Here, hold
Yeah.
on. Follow the tip of my pen with your eyes and your eyes only. Keep your head still for me.
Are you supposed to start tonight?
Yep.
Even when nature literally snaps a tree in half right next to them, the focus remains on one thing: the HGN test. Most people think the officer is just checking if you can follow a pen. In reality, he's hunting for nystagmus, an involuntary jerking of the eyeball that the human brain cannot control while under the influence. You can lie with your words, you can lie with your tears, but you cannot lie with your biology. Watch how she struggles to keep her head still. That's a major red flag.
He's going to roll up your windows for you.
Dave, for safety, let's get off this road. There's a tree that just cracked over here.
All right, we're going to move. You're going to come with me? All right, go ahead and step in for me. Step in, because we're not going to stand out here in the pouring down rain and do this, so step in.
The officer moves her to the squad car to escape the rain, but Cassie's attitude is only just beginning to dry off. Now, I want to hear from you. Seeing the danger of that falling tree, would you have arrested her immediately for everyone's safety? Or was the officer right to let her finish her performance? type arrest or wait in the comments. Trust me, what she does once she's inside that car, you have to see it to believe it.
Step in.
Sit in the squad car.
Okay, how am I supposed to do that?
Oh, sorry.
What's in there?
My bag.
All right, I'll meet you at the PD.
It's not like I'm trying to be a bitch.
Oh, sorry, I didn't know my bag was back there.
I don't go to jail for driving without a license, correct?
You do, it's a crime.
What?
Operating while revoked due to OWI is a crime.
Okay, so I can't go back.
Well, we'll see how the rest of this plays out. All right. Smells like weed in here, yep.
It does smell like weed.
It does. That's what happens when you seize weed. It smells like weed. All right, Cassie. So we're going to start the test over.
Can you not watch?
Well, he's my backup officer. He's not going to say anything to you, so...
No, I don't want him to watch. I don't want him to be here. I don't want him.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, look closely at this power move. Cassie isn't just upset. She's trying to dictate the scene. By demanding the backup officer leave, she's attempting to break the officer's tactical symmetry. In law enforcement, having a second pair of eyes is vital for safety. When a suspect tries to isolate an officer, it's a massive red flag that something, like a sudden escape attempt, is brewing in their head. She's not just uncomfortable, she's calculating.
I don't like him.
Again, we're going to start the test over.
When people are upset, their eyes do weird shit too.
Okay. That's your opinion. I'm going to look for what I'm trained for.
Can you go do your own thing?
Nate, just step outside, please. Yeah. Thank you. If I need you, I'll let you know.
Thank you.
Okay.
I appreciate that. Thank you.
I'm not going to ask you to do the test again. If you refuse, I'm just going to arrest you.
I'm good.
I just want you to follow with your eyes and your eyes only. Keep your head still. Just keep your head still for me during the test.
Am I not?
All right. The last one is just going to be checking your eyes going vertical. And I just want you to follow it upward. Follow it vertical. All right. And one more time. All right. You can relax a second. I'm just making some notes quick. Based on all my observations tonight, ma'am, I believe you to be under the impairment of alcohol. Okay?
Interesting.
So would you like to provide a PBT sample?
If I say no, you're arresting me, correct?
I'm going to arrest you either way. So,
Can I
PBT?
ask why?
Because I saw the clues that I need to see you during the tests.
I am freaking out.
Okay, ma'am. At this point in time, you are under arrest for operating a motor vehicle while intoxicated.
How am I under arrest?
Because I just told you are under
But
arrest.
for driving without a license.
You're driving while under the influence of alcohol, OWI, operating while intoxicated.
But I'm not over .08.
Well, I give you the opportunity, ma'am. I don't need to. Based on the clues that I've seen, I believe you to be over the legal limit. So you'll have your day in court. You're under arrest. Do you understand? I'm not being anything, ma'am. I'm doing my job.
Don't call me ma'am. I have a name.
Okay. Cassie, turn around, face away from me. Put your hands in the small of your back, please.
Do I have to be arrested to go over to the...
You have to be in handcuffs. Okay? I gave you the option to walk over to my squad car. Hey, don't run!
And there it is. The moment the handcuffs come out, the performance ends and the flight response kicks in. But notice the location. She's inside a police sally port, a secured area. Running here is not just a bad idea. It's a fast track to a felony escape charge. But as you're about to see, her definition of running and the police's definition are two very different things.
Nope.
I was kidding.
Nope, you're under arrest.
Okay.
You're under arrest.
I was kidding.
I was kidding. Let that sink in for a moment. This might be the most delusional defense in the history of Bodycam footage. She literally tried to flee from law enforcement, and when caught within seconds, she tried to rebrand a felony as a joke. This shows a complete lack of accountability. In her world, if she says it's a prank, the handcuffs should just fall off. Spoiler alert, the legal system doesn't work on just kidding vibes. I've seen some wild excuses, but I was kidding takes the cake. What's the craziest excuse you've ever heard someone give to a cop? Let me know in the comments. And stick around, because if you thought Cassie was a mess, wait until you see what our next driver did right after leaving jail.
Nope.
Kidding.
No, I got her, Nate. I got her. Yep. Nope. You took off running, ma'am.
I was kidding.
No.
Yeah, that's not kidding.
I swear to God.
Here you go.
Okay.
All right. Bring your feet in. Bring your feet in. All right, stand up. I gave you the option.
One on my left is a little tight. See, this one on my left hand is a little tight.
Well, they're good. You can do a finger underneath them, each of them. All right, ma'am, step into the car for me.
Okay, and honestly,
Nope. We're done now. We've had your opportunity.
No, but you don't listen to me. You don't listen to me.
Ma'am, you had your opportunity and you ran from me. So step in the car.
You don't listen to me.
Step in the car.
You don't listen to me.
Step in the car.
You don't listen.
Step in.
You didn't listen.
Step in.
You didn't listen.
Do not kick me. Step into the car.
I didn't kick you.
I said don't.
I did not kick you.
I did not say you did. I said do not kick me. 55. Also resisting. She's drop running on us.
As soon as I heard her start to get loud, I'm like, all right, I clicked my body cam on.
If you thought the first encounter was bad, buckle up. Meet Janice. She didn't just break the law, she shattered the record for the shortest time between being released from jail and committing her next felony. Literally minutes after bonding out, she's back on the road, turning a busy highway into a demolition derby. This is what we call the revolving door of the justice system, and as you're about to see, the citizens of this town have had enough.
She's swerving all over the road, about 80 miles an hour. Passing Lakewood, she's fishtailing. 10-4, she's in Ventino's, a cigar bar just got out.
Multiple vehicles, Janice realizes her car is done. But instead of surrendering, she decides to go for a jog. Now, keep in mind, she just left jail. Most people would be on their best behavior, but Janice is operating on pure panic, and, as the witnesses claim, she might be under the influence of more than just bad luck. But look at the background. She's not just being chased by one officer, she's being chased by an entire community she just endangered.
Hey, come here! Come here! Stop! Turn around.
I just got out of the jail.
Okay. Just get in. Turn over. Turn over. Turn over.
I need help.
Yeah, you need a lot of help.
I was just in the jail.
Put your arm back around behind you.
Please help me.
Put your arm behind your back.
I'm detoxing. I'm sorry.
Start listening. Shut up and stop.
And put your hand behind your back. Quit resisting. Put your hands behind your back.
You've already hit like 5 people.
Yeah, I'm one of them.
Stand up.
This is a rare sight. The man helping the officer isn't just a random bystander. He's one of the victims she just hit. This is instant karma in its purest form. While we usually advise citizens to stay back for their own safety, this man's firmware update kicked in the second his car was struck. He provided the necessary backup to ensure this dangerous driver didn't take another step. It's a powerful moment of community justice that you don't see every day.
Naples, 3 off 11, 1 in custody.
Your blood, brother. That must be her phone. I don't know.
Yeah. You want to go back to my car?
Yeah, my car will do.
So you one that got hit?
Yeah.
Naples, the address will be. She wrecked in the ditch.
I
So
don't
put her right
know.
here.
I don't have
Whose car is that?
My son's. He's at the hospital. He just went to the hospital. My son's in the hospital right now.
The second the cuffs are on, the excuses start flowing. My son is in the hospital. I just got out of jail. It's the classic pity play. She's trying to shift the focus from the 5 cars she just wrecked to her own personal drama. But the victims standing right there aren't buying it, and neither are we. So, here's a question for you. Should a citizen ever interfere in an arrest like this, or did this man take too much of a risk? Drop a hero in the comments if you support him, one or risky if you think he should have waited for backup.
I was just there with him. Please. Please listen. Can I tell you what happened?
Well, I know what happened. I
got
said that
out of
when you
jail.
did it.
I got out of jail and went to the bail fund. My son was taking me.
So far, I think she's hit 3 to 5 people all the way down 41.
I got damage on that vehicle.
Was there anybody in the car with you?
No.
It's just with the crashes.
How many people she hit you and who else? I don't know. I was just waiting at the light. She crashed into the. She pulled in through without the road.
Please help me. Please help me.
Did you have anything on you?
Yeah, no.
I got another female deputy
I
coming.
don't have anything on me.
Well, no, this lady got hit too.
Okay.
I don't have anything on me.
Just stay right here.
I don't have anything.
I didn't get her name or anything. She has her son's car. Okay.
My son just went to the hospital. Okay, he picked me up from.
So was it
He picked me up from
Bayshore,
jail.
41 at Bayshore? She's like coming right at me. Hits the curb, blows her tire, and just like the whole way down, like swerving all over the place. Unbelievable. Are you Janice?
Yeah.
Janice.
Yeah.
She crashed. She like took off running.
She ran?
So stop. She said no. And I see her coming, like switching lanes. I was like, oh, she nailed the curb. I thought she's gonna pull over, so I was following, and all of a sudden she's speeding. I'll see a smoke, and she's swerving. I was like, uh-oh. Look.
Now, let's talk about the part that has everyone's blood boiling. The verdict. For causing multiple collisions, fleeing from officers, and resisting arrest, all within minutes of leaving jail, Janice was sentenced to 3 years of probation. That's it. To many of you watching, this feels like a slap on the wrist. It raises a serious question about our justice system. Is probation enough for someone who clearly has zero regard for public safety? The insurance rates of every innocent person involved just went up, while Janice walked back home. Let that sink in. Looking at both Cassie and Janice, we see a striking psychological pattern: the total rejection of reality. Cassie tried to rebrand a felony as a joke, while Janice tried to use her past jail time as a shield for her current crimes. They aren't just running from the police, they are running from the person they see in the mirror. This is a chronic lack of accountability. When "I live right there" and "I was kidding" become your go-to defenses, hold on, you've lost touch with the consequences of your actions. It's not just about the alcohol or the drugs, it's about a fundamental refusal to grow up. 2 women. One massive lesson in what happens when entitlement meets the legal system. If you appreciated this deep dive into the details that others missed, make sure to support the channel. Hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a breakdown. Who do you think was more delusional today? Team "I was kidding" or Team "I just got out of jail"? Let the debate begin in the comments. I'm your host, and I'll catch you in the next investigation. Stay vigilant.